Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. How are you? Well, I'm so excited to tell you all about Web Piano Teacher 3.0. It's the biggest, most awesome thing to happen to Web Piano Teacher in 20 years, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So a lot of you remember 20 years ago when I started on YouTube with the VHS recorder and the whiteboard and the whiteboard markers. And look at this awesome studio we have today, as well as a second studio, Studio B at the office. As well as the high-resolution PDF sheets for each lesson and 4K videos. So it's an amazing thing. I look forward to the next 20 years and what's coming. So you've probably already noticed that the website is faster and easier to navigate. Everything is cleaner, more intuitive. You'll spend less time clicking around and more time actually playing the songs you love. So it was really important to us to help people navigate the site. So there's a ton of content on my website, just 20 years of stuff, and you can just get lost in all of it and not know where to go, what to do. So we really wanted to make that an easier thing for you guys. The next thing we've done is the mobile optimization. So whatever device you're on, phone, tablet, desktop computer, laptop, the website is going to work beautifully on all of them. Now, I wanted to have something content-wise, for this blowout, this new website. And what I did is I got together 10 epic, awesome, classic rock songs. I know you're going to love them. These are live on the site right now, ready for you to dig into, but I wanted to just have those to, get everybody excited about the new site and to try it out. So those are on there, so have fun with them. All right, so we're also introducing 3 modalities of lessons on the website now. So you know about the whiteboard method, the letters on the whiteboard. A lot of you know about traditional note reading that I had on ShawnCheek.com. You know that site where I had all of the classical lessons and note reading lessons. So all of those lessons are now on Web Piano Teacher. You don't have to go to ShawnCheek.com there. Everything is on Web Piano Teacher now. So all of those lessons are available to you. And I want to do more note reading and expand that library as well. So the third modality I wanted to talk about is the chord sheet method. So you've seen chord sheets, with just the lyrics and chord symbols above. Well, it takes a certain skill level to be able to do that, to see a chord and know what the chord is and what to do with your hands, how to play rhythmically with a particular song. So that's what I'm going to be teaching in these chord sheet lessons. So that's a new modality that I'm going to be expanding tremendously in the coming years here. So we've also added a solo piano genre. So what that means, a lot of you like to play melody in the right hand stuff or solo piano stuff. Something where it stands alone. You don't have to be singing with it to play it. So you could never find those before. They're on there. They're in the site, but there wasn't a way to find them. You just had to go through each one and see what you could find. But now we've added that genre so you can easily click one time and see all of the lessons that are piano solo. Now, the courses are better organized, and the courses are for if you just want a particular thing you're working on, like if you want to learn to play piano blues, you want to play praise and worship music, maybe you want to work on sight reading, maybe you need beginner lessons. So all of those courses, with more coming, are easy to find and will really help you if you're looking for working on a particular thing in piano. All right, so the hired request, this is cool here. So a lot of you know that the whole library was built by the hired request list, where someone commissions me for a certain song, a YouTube video, what have you. So you never knew when I was taking them, and you didn't know how to get a hold of me to be able to do a request. Well, now, right on your dashboard, and you're probably looking at your dashboard right now as you watch this video, this is your home place, your special place where all the courses that you bought will show up. All the videos that you favorite will show up right there on your dashboard, so you don't have to find them in the library again. You just click on them. Well, right there on the right is the hired request button, and there's a little form, and you just fill it out, and then I'll be able to look at it and get back to you, and we can do a hired request a lot quicker and just get that process rolling a lot better than we used to. So use that hired request button. I'm able to teach in all 3 modalities. If you want a chord sheet lesson, if you want traditional music notation, which you'll have to provide the sheets for those types of lessons, or the old whiteboard method, we can still do that as well. Another thing we've improved is the account and support. So the account management is much simpler now. Payment is easier. You have a built-in support ticketing system so you can get help faster. So if you need to update your credit card info, you don't have to email me and what do I need to do for that? It's all right there. We've streamlined that. And the ticketing system for the support is built into the website. So I'll quickly see your emails and be able to get back to you with whatever you need. All right, so this next part I'm very excited about, best for last here. So there's coming very soon, we're working on it right now, a new social aspect to webpianoteacher.com. So imagine being able to comment on the videos or start a thread and comment on the thread. A lot of you, went to see so-and-so in 1973, can tell about what happened at that particular concert on that particular version of lesson that I'm doing. So that's kind of a cool thing. So you can swap stories and, connect with me easier, and even do some things where it isn't on there yet, but we want to have something where you can upload a video of yourself performing something just to kind of help people out, let them see what you're doing, and you can watch others do the same. So that Web Piano Teacher community is coming soon. So stay tuned for that. Guys, thank you for all the great years. You've supported our family in very real and practical ways, and I'm so thankful and have a lot of gratitude for each and every one of you. Excited about Web Piano Teacher 3.0, and I know you will be too.